Hello, so this video is to show you how to install the Solana Phantom wallet on your Chrome browser as an extension. And in part two, I'm going to show you how to install the app on your phone. Now, this is going to be very important because if you're going to be buying into Capital 3.0, Capital 3.0 is now going to be made into a DAO, which means there will be governance tokens issued to everybody who buys into Capital 3.0. And you'll be using those governance tokens to vote for a project. And that will be the only way that you will be receiving allocation for that particular project. So you do need to install this app and extension if you plan to be part of Capital 3.0. So let's jump in.
So now open your Chrome browser.
And in the search bar, type Chrome Store and hit enter. And you can see the top result in the search is Chrome Web Store. Click on that, and that will bring you to the Chrome Web Store. And at the top of the page, you can see it says Search Extensions and Themes. Now, the Solana wallet is called Phantom. So if you type Phantom wallet and hit enter, and you can see it's this top one in purple. So you simply click on that, and it will now begin the process of adding it as an extension to your Chrome browser. You can see it says add to Chrome in blue on the right hand side. Simply click on that, and then you'll get a pop-up in the middle of the screen saying add extension. Click add extension, and now that has installed onto your browser, and you'll come to the create wallet page. Now, I've just reduced my screen so I can show you this bit. If you go to the top of your browser, you can see the jigsaw puzzle piece. That's your extensions tab. If you tap on that, and you'll see Phantom in the list of extensions, and you can see this small pin. You just click on that, and that will now pin the Phantom extension at the top in the toolbar. Now you click create wallet. Now, if you've already got a Phantom wallet and you want to import it onto your laptop, then you click I already have a wallet, and you'll use your 12 words from that wallet, and then you'll have it on 2 devices. But if you don't, then you simply click create wallet, and now you generate a password or create a password for yourself, agree to the terms of service, and click continue. Now it will give you a 12-word seed phrase. Please remember, this 12-word seed phrase is the security to your entire wallet. You must never, ever give these 12 words out to anybody, because they will then have access to your wallet and they will be able to steal everything that is in your wallet. So no matter what anybody tells you, no matter what they promise you, no matter who they say they are, never, ever reveal your 12 words to anybody. Very, very important. So now you can reveal your 12 words, write them down. Make sure you write them in the correct order. Make sure you write them with the correct spelling. Different wallets and different devices show the 12 words in a different way. You can see here, it has the 12 words numbered left to right, but on some devices it may be top to bottom. So please make sure you write them in the correct order and in the correct spelling. Write it down in pen, in a notebook, not on a scrap of paper. You're much less likely to throw the notebook away, and then put it somewhere safe where it won't get lost. Maybe to add on to it that this is your Solana wallet, so that you'll know that this is your Solana wallet and don't mistake it for your MetaMask wallet. Now, this is just a demonstration wallet, so I'm going to be deleting this wallet afterwards, and I'll create a private one for myself. Once you've done this process, you simply click I have saved my secret recovery phrase and click continue. And then get started. And now you have created your wallet. So to access it easily, because you've saved it in the toolbar, all you do is click and the wallet will open. And then you enter in your password and click unlock. And now your wallet is live. Now, I've never used the Phantom wallet before, so it's going to take me a little time and a little playing around to become familiar with it. But as far as I can see so far, it's really not that much different to MetaMask. But this is just to show you how to install it. As I learn more about it and I go along, I will start to make more videos as required. But just to have a quick look around now, you can see at the top it says account 1. If I click on A1, you can see that you can add another account. Look, add. So you can create another account just like you can in MetaMask. You can manage your accounts, and here is your settings option here. If you click on settings, and you can see manage accounts. So if you've opened a second account, if you want to, you can set your preferences here. You've got security and privacy, active networks, an address book. You can see all of the same kind of things that we have in MetaMask. Again, I'm not going to go through all of these in this video. This is just to show you how to install it. But, you know, feel free to have a look through all of these things yourself. You can see if I hover over account 1, it will show the current standard coins and their addresses. So the governance token will go to your Solana address, I imagine. So this will be the one here. This will be the address. You can see you've got the receive option here, which will give you the same addresses. So you can see Solana, and then you can just copy the address. And you've got send, swap, and buy, just like any other Web3 wallet. Managed tokens list. So these will be tokens that I assume if you were to send USDT into here on your Solana address, then that would show, and then you have the ability to turn it on, turn it off, whatever is required. But again, I'm not overly familiar. Once I start playing around with it, I'll have a better idea. So this 4 squares at the bottom next to the home button, if you click on that, you can see this is collectible. So I imagine this is for any NFTs or anything that you've sent in. If you click on these 2 arrows in the middle of the screen at the bottom, you can see this is where you can swap currencies. And if you click on the next icon that looks like a clock, you can see this is your activity tab. This looks the same on MetaMask. And then, of course, if you click on the right, which is the icon that looks like a circle with a diamond in it, you simply click on that. And then this is the, it looks to me like this is the built-in browser for this particular wallet. So it seems like this uses its own browser, whereas MetaMask piggybacks onto Chrome browser. But it looks like Phantom Wallet uses its own web service. So that's a pretty good starting overview for the Phantom Wallet on your browser. Keep watching, and then we'll have a look at installing it on mobile phone. So this is how you install the Solana Phantom browser on your mobile phone. Open up your Play Store, and then at the bottom you can see search. So you tap on search, and at the top you can see the search bar. You simply type in Phantom Wallet. You can see I've already searched it, so it comes up Phantom Wallet. So now you can see it here with the same purple icon. So now you simply click install, and that will take a few seconds to install. Now you click open, and you can see my AVG antivirus just checked the app to make sure it's safe. And again, you just click I agree to terms of service, and you are either creating a new wallet, or if you've installed it on your laptop as an extension, you can use the same 12 words and import an existing wallet, and now you'll have the same wallet on both devices. Or if you're doing it the other way around, exactly the same. If you install it on your mobile phone first, you'll use those 12 words that you were given, and you will import it on the laptop. And again, you'll now have the same wallet on both devices. Exactly the same as we've done with MetaMask. So now we create new wallet. Protect your wallet. You can see it's asking you to add biometrics, and you can do that. So you can turn that on. Now click next. And now it's giving you your 12 words. Again, this is just a demonstration wallet, so I'll be deleting this afterwards. And now look, if you can see here, you can see that it's only 2 abreast. So all of these are written down 1, 2, 3, 4, left to right, left to right, left to right. So it's a slightly different format because you're on a mobile rather than on the laptop. So make sure you write these down in the same order that they are here, in the correct order. It would be very easy to write it top to bottom and 2 lines of top to bottom, and then it would be in the incorrect order. So please write them down exactly as you see them here with the correct spelling. And again, just to reiterate, do not give these 12 words to anybody, no matter what they promise you, no matter who they tell you they are. Nobody will ever need your 12 words. Now click OK. I have saved it somewhere. Answer the question. Yeah. That's an important message to read. If you lose your 12 words and your password, your wallet will be gone forever. As long as you've got your 12 words, even if you lose your password, you can still re-import the wallet. But without the 12 words, if you've forgotten your password, it's gone forever. So please make sure you keep these 12 words written down safely in pen so they don't fade. Click yes. Now get started. And you can see it's a very similar format. It looks like you've got get an instant updates option. So I'll just click not now for the moment. So on the top left where it says A1, you can click on that and you can add or connect wallet. And again, on the top right hand side, you can see the settings option. So you can flick through and have a play around with these settings. And you've got the receive, send, swap and buy option across the top. You've got the 4 standard coins that are accepted in here straight away. And you've got all of the same options at the bottom. You've got the 4 squares, which is for your collectibles. You've got the 2 arrows in the middle, which is for swapping currencies. You've got the clock, which is your activity tab. And you've got the built-in browser. And as I explained on the laptop demonstration, this is still brand new to me. So as I play around with it and I understand it better, if we need any additional functions, I'll make videos for that. Okay, so that should give you a seamless installation process for your laptop and your mobile. As always, I hope that was helpful for you. And as always, please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you get notifications every time I release a new video. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.